girl wouldn't break the news. American pie being fed to us. Words tornado, a warning not to be used. With the swirling funnel cloud, half a mile wide, with all the makings of an EF5. A very worried Joe, SOS TV and radio, kept on to the newsrooms kept alive. Ruskin tornado, knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. Up from the gates of hell, the freight train rolled. Ruskin tornado blew the S&K from the marquee, but the ruin wasn't near as bad as it would have been if it not for Joe Ardsley. There's no big hatchet plan for royal grease, just a true man's man of independence. In World War II, as a one-man weather band, Joe kicked off his career with I Am the Bomb, and the buck stops here. Ruskin tornado, knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. Up from the gates of hell, the freight train rolled. Ruskin tornado tore the S&K from the marquee, but the ruin wasn't near as bad as it would have been were it not for Joe Ardsley. Star-Spangled Banner at a Ruskin baseball game was ruined by thunder less than a mile away. But if you live in the Midwest, you just take it with a grain of salt. Predictions, risky business, and the weather ain't no one's damn fault. Ruskin tornado blew the S&K to Timbuktu, but the ruin wasn't near as bad as it would have been if not for you know who. In summer, it's 110 degrees. In winter, 30 below. In springtime, put new batteries in an old transistor radio. And when the sky gets nasty in the Southwest, we know we don't have to fear it, thanks to the great free spirit, Tornado Joe. Ruskin tornado, knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. Up from the gates of hell, the freight train rolled. Ruskin tornado tore the S&K from the marquee, but the ruin wasn't near as bad as it would have been were it not for Joe Ardsley. Ruskin tornado the marquee. But the room wasn't near as bad